Alright, today I am heading up to Nuwara Eliya to see some tea plantations and a little old British colonial town. Should be really beautiful up there. I'm taking a tuk-tuk, which is probably going to be really hot. I'm already really hot and I'm still in my room. So let's head on out. Starting to get up where all the tea factories are. So many tuk-tuks.
Yeah, so many tuk-tuks.
Tiny waterfall. Whoa, there's a giant waterfall over there. And there's a beautiful lake over here. This is an awesome spot to have lunch. This pasta is so spicy. I love it. Can you see the waterfall? This way. And then another one over here. You can see the top of it up here, and the bottom you can see over here.
Fermentation 2 hours, then after 2 hours fermentation tea, still wet. We want to dry. Then after dry, brown color tea leaves turn into the black color. But green tea, no crush, no fermentation. That's the different green tea and the black tea, but same tea leaves process different. Green tea totally different process. Green tea leaves is steaming, then after no crush, tea leaves roll by different rolling machine. Then after dry, normal air. Green tea very healthy. Black tea also good, but black tea more caffeine after crush and the fermentation. Green tea less caffeine, white tea zero caffeine. White tea use the different plant, red color plant use only the tea buds. After separate tea buds, dry only sun dry. Early morning sun dry, very good for the heart, cancer prevents, stronger bones, skin and the teeth. Very healthy white tea, very expensive, because the black tea we can produce per day 3000 kilos. White tea we can produce per month only 10 kilos. Then after 2 hours fermentation tea, this machine dry, 125 Celsius, 20-minute dry, destroy the germs and bacteria. We use natural firewood for the heat. We can use any kind of wood, but especially rubber wood, because long time burning, slow burner. Then after dry, black tea become 2 colors, the black and the brown. Black color tea leaves, brown color tea stems. Stems not used back to tea plantation for the fertilizer as a compost, recycling. They have a machine separate black and the brown color. Brown color. You can look there. One bag this tea bag is yeah. This one golden flower infused. This white tea, black tea flowers. This is the tea flowers mixed together. Golden flower infused.
This is the orange pico. It's hot. It's really hot. I don't think you're supposed to put sugar in this one, but I always drink with sugar. But I'm going to try it without sugar first. This is the golden and the silver. This is tea over here?
Chai.
Chai?
Yeah.
Oh. They take the ones with the little tips on them. You can see that this has all been picked all the way up. This is a good one. It's got the little tip inside of it. Like this one. We're in like almost a cloud forest up here. It's clouds.
Yeah. South.
Yeah. Potato, okay. People weren't lying about the temperature difference. Everybody here is in sweatshirts and everything. It is very cool. Horse racing. Pony racing. This lake is so pretty.
Okay. Oh no,
Swan boat.
Peacock.
Oh yeah.
Bird.
Yeah.
Peacock.
Nice. Yeah, I like this flower.
බලන්න කියන්නේ. You see him.
It's hair. Thank you. It tastes like nuts.
Yeah.
This is pretty.
Nice.
You're eating it. What is it?
Leaf.
Tea?
Tea, yeah.
Alright, I am back in my room. Nuwara Eliya was amazing. I don't know that I would recommend doing it in a tuk-tuk, although my driver was great. I mean, I wish he was a little more fluent in English, or I was a little more fluent in Sinhala, because it was a little hard to communicate, but he was a good tour guy. But the sucking diesel fumes all day, not really for me, not something I'm gonna do again. It was making me kind of nauseous, but I ate some hoppers and some strawberries, and I've got some bananas from yesterday, so I'm gonna have a nice little meal here in my room before I cozy on up with a book and call it a night. So this seems to be like a favorite light meal / nighttime snack. So I got 3 of them, but it's a little more hearty than I realized. So this is an egg hopper. It's like a super thin egg pancake. Well, it's a super thin pancake. Because this is the egg one, they put egg in it along with some salt and pepper. Okay, I can see why people like these. They give me some of this chili sauce, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this in here. Tried one out. That is good. I love that. So I've got these tiny yellow bananas that were recommended to me by my guide yesterday, and I just have to tell you about them. So these little bananas are like nothing I've ever tried before. They're super sweet and tart. They taste like halfway between a banana and a watermelon, or not a watermelon, a pineapple. Super tropical tasting. Just absolutely incredible. This is a must-have when you come to Sri Lanka. They don't export these bananas, so you can only get them here. And with this wonderful dish, I'm going to call it a night. See you in the next one. Hi, I hope you enjoyed watching my day. I put out new videos every Friday, so please subscribe to my travel blog and come with me as I plan to visit every country in the world.